The Enterprise Maintenance Technologies team presents the Commercial Technologies for Maintenance Activities program. Society and technology are undergoing accelerated transformations. Revolutionary new solutions are required to support our nation's civilian and military needs to maintain the peace and deliver victory in times of war. Since 1998, the CTMA program has functioned as the Department of Defense's innovation program focused solely on maintenance and sustainment. CTMA leverages a cooperative agreement that enables engagement with industry and academia to evaluate, demonstrate, and validate maintenance and sustainment solutions. The CTMA approach affords opportunity to work cooperatively with a series of industry and academic groups to refine and improve upon solutions to ensure maximum DoD and commercial sector use. Unlike an Other Transactions Authority, or OTA, approach, there are no limits imposed by a prearranged consortium. Following approved funding transfer, modification of the cooperative agreement occurs and the project begins thereafter, all typically occurring within 45 to 90 days. With over $1 billion invested through the CTMA program and savings calculated in excess of $8 billion, CTMA is a proven mechanism to transform the face of maintenance, no matter what challenges you may be facing. The cooperation between government and the private sector is the foundation of maintaining the health and vibrancy of our nation and our military forces.